This is a boat that came in that when you put it in gear, the boat wouldn't move, and you can tell they've done a little damage to the prop. And so what you do in this case, when it's in gear and you could spin the prop and the motor doesn't turn, we go ahead, first thing we do is pull off the top cap, look inside. You can see it's full of gear oil, everything's good there. So now we're going to turn the drive, and you can see all the gears inside are doing what they're supposed to. If it was in neutral, those wouldn't be turning when I spun the prop, but it's in gear right now. And so we looked inside the boat and we can see the output shaft from the upper drive spinning when we turn it, but the motor's not turning, and so it's the drive coupler that's failed.